Alright, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope y'all are doing well and taking care of yourselves. So I was checking in on Beetlejuice here, and I still not gotten him to eat. However, there might be an explanation for that. Look at that. There is a full-on shed wrapped around this enclosure here. It is the first time he is shed, even though I have not gotten him to eat yet. So that could 100% be a thing. I have had snakes who refuse meals for the entirety of their shedding process, so I possibly missed when he went into blue, or during this period that I last left him. After switching him into this enclosure, I wanted to let him like resettle again as if he was coming into a whole new home. So let him chill again a little bit more extendedly, because with him being potentially wild caught or actually wild caught. And so I hadn't checked in on him, but I came home and looked and saw this was stretched across the enclosure in here. So figured I would come in, show you guys that, and keep you updated on what's happening. I really want to get it all out, so I'll probably have to use both of my hands, because I want to be able to track his growth. And this is another way that I track growth, especially with new snakes. You know, I'll usually keep the first shed they give me. I try to keep all of them, but you know, things don't always work out that way. But I'll for sure usually keep the first sheds they give me, and be able to compare it back to that shed sometime later. So that is a full-on shed. I don't know if I'll keep this one because I see boo-boo in there, but maybe I'll at least measure it. This is not a lot. I could probably wash that out, but I will measure it, even though I know that snake skin is not an accurate way of measuring your snakes, because snake skin stretches and expands to allow the snake to get out of it. So not a good way of measuring your snake, but to track progress might be a good thing to think about. It's what I do, so it's what I will do. But yeah, just a quick little update on Beetlejuice here. He has shed, and I actually want to take a peek at him. I really want to disturb him, but I do want to take a peek at him. There you are. Hello. Hello, stunning. Can I see you? Can I see you? Oh, there you are. Hello, gorgeous. You are just so beautiful. Beautiful. And your body weight is still not looking too bad. It looks just about the same as it was when you first got here, so you're not losing a lot of weight, even though I haven't quite gotten you to eat yet, and that's fine. And I am thinking the moment I actually... Whoop. Okay, you're too wild for one hand. You're too wild for one hand. But the moment I I'm going to be taking you to the vet and getting you deworming and whatever else you need for any parasites you most likely have, being a wild snake. So, yeah, there he is, you all. He looks really good, and he is shed. Haven't gotten him to eat yet, but he's still looking good, so I'm not worried about it. There's still steps to be taken, and we're going to let him chill out. I'm going to put his hide back in so he can calm down and feel more secure again. And that's all. I will see you all later. You take care. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. You guys keep spreading those herps.